Oh my gosh.
Yes.
I just got back from an estate sale. Bearing this 97-degree Florida heat, but Pappy's got some scores here. Stick around for a few minutes and I'll show you some of these goodies. Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. And yep, I got some good scores today at this estate auction, including a couple of my Holy Grail kits and kits that I didn't even know existed. So let me do a real quick run through of showing you what I got, and I'll let you guys take a look too. So first up is this original Batmobile from Polar Lights. And yes, I did open everything. And yes, I did open everything before I bought it. That was unsealed anyways. This guy had unsealed and taken most of the things out too. And this one is already built. So let's take a look at this. And this is just awesome. This is going to go up on the shelf pretty much just the way it already is. I don't care that it's already built, but what really got me on it, what really got me excited, was it's the version that came with the figures, Batman and Robin. So those are going to go into a display case pretty much right away. Because this looks so good. Just last week, my buddy over at Wrong Way Model Works was showing off his Gran Turismo that he had just got. And we were talking, I said, I'll probably never find one, never find an unbuilt one. And he was talking about how much it cost and stuff like that, but I found this one, and it's all pretty much unbuilt. It doesn't have the decals in it, but I couldn't resist. This is just such a cute little unusual car that, yeah, this is one of those things that was on my list and I had to have. Oh, he has started it a little bit, gluing these lower panels onto the body, but that's okay. Got to put them on anyways, right? This is one of them on my list. The Tiger Shark by MPC. I think I remember seeing it as a kid, but I never got it because I really didn't know what it was. And even though this has the retro deluxe things that I'm thinking Round 2 models have reissued this, I haven't seen it anywhere, so I snagged this up pretty quick. Orange windows, I'm not quite sure what the BBs are for. I guess we'll find that out in a rubber band. It's got a display stand in it. Parts all still sealed in the bags. Just something cool and unusual to have up on my shelves. I think this is a pretty good find. I know some of you guys might say, well, we found these at Ollie's or someplace else. I ain't seen it. But remember, I'm also in little bitty Hickville, Florida, with no hobby shops within 45 miles, so other than Hobby Lobby, and that's 30 miles away. Next up on my list is this Rebel Snap Together wrecker truck. I do remember seeing this when I was in my 20s, thinking that it was probably some easy version of the Midnight Cowboy remake. Kind of looked like the same wheels. And while I wanted a tow truck even back then, it's like, oh, this is a snap together. I'm a grown man. I'm not going to get a snap together. Not when I have all these great skills. So I didn't get it, and had to wait years and years and years to find another one. And I was surprised when I opened this up, because it kind of looks like he's got two kits in this box of the Chevy 3500 and the tow truck. I don't know if all the pieces are here, but here's the big old fat tires for the 3500. Tonneau cover, the frame. I don't see engine parts. That's a nice cow hood though. The decals are stickers. Well, we'll find something better for that. But this gives me a couple options of things I can do with this, even without the frame or the engine in there. This right here, this Jungle Jim Monza funny car with the Jungle Jim and Jungle Pam figures, this was probably the highest on my list of my holy grails. You can still get them on Evil Bay, but you are going to pay a price for them. So as soon as I seen this box, I snagged that sucker up and opened it up, and sure enough, you guys know what's in here. I'm not going to open them up. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I'm going to open them up. We got to take a peek. I don't know how long that these have been, probably never seen the light of day. There she is, Jungle Pam. Her and Jungle Jim were icons in the 60s and 70s. They are part of what made drag racing all that it is today with the show they put on. They put a show out for every race. And yeah, this is really cool. I'm sure you'll see her in some of my other videos just to be hanging around and checking out the work that Pappy does. What really surprised me on this was the prices on it. Wherever he got it from, he got it on clearance for less than $10 for this beautiful, wonderful kit. I'm not sure I even remember seeing it this low when it first came out. So this is a great find in my book. Does it say when it was built? 2001 is when it was built. Next up, we have this god-awful old AMT Gremlin funny car. I really didn't know that this one existed. The box is certainly not in very good shape at all. But this isn't the version of that came out a while ago. This was dedicated as a funny car, and as you can see, he had already built it and painted it. And you know, I don't know that I'm really going to change it. I might just keep it the way it is. This doesn't have the opening hood. This was just dedicated to be the funny car. This whole kit was. It looks like most of the pieces are in here, so I'll have to put it back. The inside of the tube, and I don't see the frame, but we'll find something in here to put it together. Even if I have to build its own little frame for it. As far as I'm concerned, this is worth it. Just for the box. I wonder when this was actually made. Does it say anywhere on it? Not that I see, but yeah, this is a wonderful kit. I'm very pleased with this. And the last one that I got is another one that I never knew existed. Big Al. Big Al what? So I started looking. Alice in Thunderland. Okay. And I'm looking around the box and I see this Allison engine in it. For many, many years I had thought about trying to kit bash something, finding a 25th scale Allison engine and turning that into a drag car. And here it is. Already in a box for me, all ready to go, already with tires. I'm pretty sure that's like a 68, 69, 70, some kind of Thunderbird body. I'm sure one of you guys can tell me. I really don't know anything about it. All the pieces still in the bags. The chrome. 2 sheets of chrome for that great big Allison V12 engine that used to power the Mustangs in World War II. And I think some other airplanes, like maybe the P-38. Never knew this kit existed. This is going to be a wonderful one to build. I love it, and it's not even started yet. So thank you guys for coming along and sticking around to see my estate haul, and hit that like and subscribe buttons. And if you've got any information on like this kit or the Grillman or any of the other kits that I picked up today, drop them in the comments below. Let me find out some more information about it. Yes, I hear you, Tai. Dogs are saying, put the models down, pay attention to me. Again, thanks for sticking around, guys, and we'll see you next time on Pappy Tinkers.